Such behavior is unacceptable and will not be tolerated under any circumstance. This kind of accusation, allegation, abuse with the notice pupil, with the notice students. Really, absolutely, this is unacceptable and luckiless, unfortunately. Accordingly, and therefore, I strongly condemn who are involved, who are miscreant involved in this incident. I appeal to the Delhi police. It should be taken very strictly action. Otherwise, it will be happen again and again in future with the notice pupil, with the notice students. They calling ऐसे गाली देना, ऐसे दुर्व्यवहार करना, ऐसे अपमान करना, ये दुर्भाग्य है नोटिस के लिए. Such behavior is unacceptable and will not be tolerated under any circumstance. Therefore,
तुमने मेरे इमेज के बारे में क्या क्या बोला ना, वो सब देखेंगे. खड़ी है, चल. तेरे यहाँ पे आदमी मसाज पार्लरों में काम करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ नहीं. तो शांति पे तो मसाज पार्लर, देख रहे हो? आ जाओ ना तुमने मेरे इमेज के बारे में क्या क्या बोला ना, वो सब देखेंगे. खड़ी है.
So since then, you had the couple who attacked these two young girls. We don't want to release their identity. They are completely in shock. They have approached the court as well. There is an FIR that has been lodged against the couple. We have only picked stuff from this particular video, excerpts which can be put on air. They have used the most horrific language, stereotyping these two young 20 and 21-year-old girls, calling them massage parlor girls, saying go sell momos, go back to your state, you have no money, maligning the image of these two girls. I'm joined right now by Advocate Lee Noshi. She's representing these two girls. There is an FIR. It's a bailable offense, so the couple have not been arrested. And appreciate you joining us, ma'am, and taking their case pro bono. The kind of abuse that was racially targeting these two young women is stunning. But you yourself know it's not an isolated incident. Many of these young girls from the Northeast continue to face this kind of harassment.
Priti, if I may little divert from this, and I'll tell you, like I was also part of in the Nido Tania things take place, right? This is not isolation, we all know. This is also not the first time happening. Nido Tania is 12 years old. During that time, we could see that if you go and remember, maybe your news have also covered, there are a lot of news come up on, racially abusive languages, racial remark past, somebody's life and gone out of there where I myself was, attacked in the courtroom by lawyers where I went and fight for 4 years in the court, but nothing happened. So what I'm saying is, this is not isolated. It has been there always because we are humanly, like also as I see ourselves, we're too racially divided in many ways. And I don't know what would be the reason that most of the Indian, I'm no less Indian than we are no less Indian than anybody of it, see us as people who doesn't belong to this country. This is the only way, and the demeaning way they have used to abuse these girls. I do not understand. I don't know much about the accused, but I come to know they are educated people, who earned some degree, who went to school. They still have to use these words which they have used. I don't want to even say on my own words. So what is parlor massage thing? Where is this coming from? Is not that other part of the world has parlor massages, and is it not that they're going to it, and is it that only people working from certain area, into this? And even if into this, what is the problem? There are so many people, different part of the world do different businesses, right? Rest of the Marwari and Gujarati do the best of the businesses. Baniyas are doing their own. We don't call them kiranawalas.
Ms. Noshi, would you stay on with me and would you please take this apology from most people who are watching this coverage today and please extend it to those two young girls, 20 and 21-year-old, and say we are with them and we are deeply, deeply sorry for what they had to go through with some people who have given a bad name to our country and continue to do so by insulting their own countrymen. Would you please do so? And do stay on with me. I'm joined by Suhas Chakma, Director, Rights and Risk Analysis Group. I also have with me Dr. Alana Golme, General Secretary, Northeast Support Center and Helpline. Dr. Golme, this is not the first. It's something which is recurrent where you have, our country, men, women coming in from the Northeast, constantly harassed, racially abused, and it's become a part of society. You have people doing it on a daily basis and getting away with it.
Pretty, yes, you're so right in pointing out that this is not the first incident. This has been happening from day one. I have been saying that there is a stereotyping of the Northeast women, that if you are a Northeast women, and then you give a smile, because we are hospitable people, and the smile is not taken in the right way. So even if you are an IS officer, you are a top-notch officers, you know how they look at us is completely from a different angle. This is how they look at us. They oogle at us. That is the reason why even the first word is that even if that person is working in a dignified institutions or reputed professions, they'll just look at us as if we are working in here, massage parlor, beauty parlor, this sector, that sector. So this is actually just what they are stereotyping us. That is the reason why first